In this presentation, I'm going to share with you the top hacks to maximize your productivity. It's not easy to be an entrepreneur, and you will experience both highs and lows on your journey to success. There will be days where you are accomplishing everything you set out to achieve, and days where you head home feeling like you could have done more. Fortunately, you can dramatically improve your time management skills and maximize your productivity every day. Here are the top hacks to help you maximize your daily productivity. Write down 3 important tasks before you start the day. Ambiguity during work is a productivity killer. Before you start your workday, you should take some time to prioritize the top 3 tasks that you need to complete for the day. Make sure that you are clear with what you write down, and use a description that is more than 3 words. This will help prevent you from drifting into semi-related tasks. Set specific times to check your email. It can be easy to lose time in your day when you spend time shuffling through dozens of emails every day. All it takes is a single email notification before you realize you've wasted 20 to 30 minutes responding to multiple emails. Instead, set aside 2 times during your day where you can check and respond to emails. Learn to say no. If you want to elevate your productivity, then you can't let others dictate your time. If you're going to get more accomplished in less time, then you have to learn how to politely but firmly tell others that you are currently busy, but that you'll let them know if you are available later. Utilize the 2-minute rule. There is no getting around the small tasks that will pop up throughout your day. Don't waste time deciding whether you should do them or not. Instead, ask yourself if they can be achieved in 2 minutes or less. If the answer is yes, do it. If not, then add the task to your to-do list and work on it later. Batch smaller tasks. Batching smaller tasks is useful because it allows you to maintain the same frame of mind for all of the functions. You can batch together responding to emails, text messages, and returning phone calls. When you're planning your day, batch smaller tasks together to keep your work process flowing smoothly. Maximizing your productivity is an essential aspect of success as an entrepreneur. Utilize these top hacks to manage your time better and maximize your productivity.